The high volume of images is a big problem for some people, such as web designers, Android and iPhone developers. Did you know that you do not need to install even one software to reduce the size of the images? The compressed images are almost no different from the original version. The resolution and color of these photos change almost nothing. Like and subscribe, my friend. In this tutorial, everything is done online. This means you only need the internet and a browser, and you can use this tutorial on your computer and mobile. In the free version of this site, you can compress up to 50 images per day, and the size of each image cannot be more than 10 megabytes. If you buy the professional version, you can compress the image indefinitely, and the size of each image can be up to 20 megabytes. In this video, we used the free version of the site and uploaded a 1.25 megabytes photo to the Compressor.io site, and as a result, the site delivered us a 473 kilobytes photo. It is interesting to know that all the technical specifications of both photos are the same, and no changes have been made in the content, color and quality of the photo. Note: be careful when using the Compressor.io website. Be sure to pay attention to the type of compression and choose one according to your needs. The Compressor.io website is definitely not the only tool available for image compression, but I think it is one of the best tools available for this, and I suggest you use this tool if you do not have restrictions on using the internet. Like and subscribe, my friend.